I'll do it in a minute or two.
Are we ever gonna watch that movie? Guess not. Rip. Lucas died.
Oh yeah. Oh wait, you were talking to me. Sorry, I wasn't. I thought you meant like a K-drama movie or something. Yeah, we can watch it. It's like literally, it's whenever you want, Lex. Just let me know and we could watch it.
We watched today after this unboxing.
Sure.
Okay.
The last time you were like, no, you should get sleep.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because.
I stayed up
with the
till
lame
3 a.m.
unboxings.
that day.
All right, build it up.
This is the lamest of the lames. This is something that anyone can miss because it's so lame.
Okay. Well, you know, we take what we can get.
I just noticed how much fucking blessings you had.
36,000? How?
I'll show you.
Bro, I'm
I have like 36, like literally 36.
Did you get 2 fucking Silases?
Demacia.
Oh, yes.
For
Two
Demacia.
Heimertons. KO.
Okay, for a second, Heimer was still has Kale.
Yeah, I had that too.
Yeah.
I was about to say, yes, Kale.
Welcome. I can disenchant this. Ash.
What a beautiful man.
Bruh, it's some fucking league unboxing. I thought it was actual presents. The fuck is this?
What do you
I
mean?
don't
Why
know
would
about
you?
your fucking league stuff. The
Wow. Look, you know what? Some of us have to dream because I don't think I'm ever gonna get this many things.
Blue essence. There's more. There's more.
So wait, how long have you been saving these up for?
I'll show you in a minute. Oh my god. Hold on. Yeah. Soraka. Oh, the whole thing? Oh, probably like months. Like, I have
What?
34
Only
of these.
months? Only months?
The last
Are you
time I
kidding me?
remember. Well, this is Battle Queen, and Battle Queen was like December, right?
This is not a month.
Yeah, this is not a month.
Champion capsules. I'm sorry, man. Also, you don't get that many honor capsule. Those are from last year too. Or wait, no. No, this is from this year. Okay, well, I'll see your honor after. Pretty sure you're toxic.
2 Ash. Literally. 2 Shen. 1,000. Alright, we're almost done. We're almost done. Pog. 2 Orn. Mordekaiser.
Open the Eternal Cap. Nobody cares about Eternal Cap.
Sejuani. Alawi. Another Zenzao. 2 Cat.
We don't care
Zinzao.
about champions, go!
What?
I said we don't care about champions, just go.
No, it's okay. No. I mean,
Yeah, let me show you.
I think it's fine.
I disenchant all of these. And that's
Hey, don't
how
do it live, man.
I won't do it, don't worry.
Just
I actually
open
want
the
to see
damn
how much you
caps.
get.
I want to see the boxes. The
I want to
boxes
get-
are interesting.
So my OCD is like, fuck.
Bro, if you get that true damage echo, give me that. You better disenchant that.
I have
Nobody gets
the.
to have it.
Oh my god, this bothers me. Excuse me. Wait, this is intermission time.
But you have other capsules. Why are you doing this
Intermission.
now?
Because where is the other highlighted one? Because the notification thing bothers me. What the fuck is this?
You got it.
Oh,
Fiddle.
okay.
No. It's on-
Anyways,
oh,
what
yeah.
should I do next? What should I do next?
The boxes. The boxes. The boxes.
The chest?
Yeah, the chest.
The
Glorious champion caps.
Alright.
Oh, actually. Do
yeah,
do
the
the
glorious-
honor capsules. The honor capsules first. Don't open those. Don't care.
These first?
Yes, open
What
those.
is that?
Okay.
Honor level 3? I've never seen that.
Yeah, you're gonna
Oh,
get key
wow.
fragments,
Wow.
and then open the orbs as well. They're gonna give you key fragments to get maximum
Look at the
keys.
champions. I want to see what champions you get.
Let's just make it worse for her. Okay, open 3. Okay. Now you merge the key fragments. Come on. Do it for me.
He gets 3 keys, bro.
Oh, wait, what is this? 3 extra keys? Whoa, you only have 25. You don't have enough chests. Well, I guess we're gonna have to wait for 3 more chests, huh? I don't buy chests.
Wait, you can
Hey,
buy
whoa.
chests?
Oh no, she's actually gonna spend $5 on chests.
My friend bought me like $10 of RP today for my
No,
birthday.
stop!
Wait, what? Why?
Stop! No! 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 Just wait. Just
Wait, I
wait.
thought you can't even open them. Didn't it say you had like 22 or something?
No, the thing is, I made her open the honor capsules, and they give key fragments. So
So?
now she has 3 extra keys.
It's fine. Oh, we have 4 more champion capsules.
Oh my god.
Interesting.
You know what? Just get the boring ones out first. Get the Eternals out of here. Next.
Thank you.
Oh, don't do it! Every opening, stop! Stop! Go up! Yo, we
I'm
have
making you
important
suffer.
stuff to do.
I'm making you
Stop.
suffer. I'm making you suffer.
You don't.
Alright, guys, who wants to play League?
Fine, fine. What's the last one? Where's the last one?
I'm chilling.
The fuck is the last one?
Why don't you have all the champs yet?
Where the fuck is the last one?
Wait, yeah, if you have so much blue essence, why not just buy everyone?
Do you not have everyone?
Oh, whatever. I'll do that later.
She
No.
probably only has like the girl champions for A round.
Oh yeah, that's actually 100% true. No mills allowed, right, Joyce?
Wow.
Yep. He plays no
Ah.
male.
Wow.
Female
Wait,
supremacy.
Wait.
One. Wow.
Wait, it showed Kane? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
This is the
that's
later
actually-
one.
The 600 essence is actually. This is so bad.
You got the Kane Eternal, bro. You better keep that
Okay,
Kane,
what
bro.
should I do next? The glorious champion capsule.
This
Yes,
is gonna
open up
give
all
you.
your glorious champs.
This is gonna give you 2 champs, 1 gemstone. No, 3 champs. Never mind. No, 2 champs. No?
Oh
Whoa,
wow,
gemstone! Yeah, 2 champs and a gemstone. Wow, I called it.
Oops, wrong
Bro.
thing.
Bro, watch her just like 5 more chests. With her massive
And no
list.
gemstone in those? No gemstone.
Wait, I have to read this bot. What is this? Okay, I read this bot. Let's continue. Claire.
Come on, no gemstone.
Aquarius.
No gemstone.
Maurice. LeBlanc.
Mordekaiser.
Alright, this one's gonna have a gemstone. Oh, no gemstone!
I don't need a gemstone. Okay.
Oh, shit.
What should we do next?
I think we should disenchant all the champions, actually.
No, we don't
Which,
do that here.
which one next? The emotes? Let's do the emotes.
Open the orbs.
Let's do the emotes.
No, wasn't Battle Queen like February? Or like January?
It was like December.
December?
Yeah, I think it was like January. It was the first event of the year, no?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Maybe
that
it
was,
started in December.
Draven
It happened.
approves.
It was during Earth. It was during Earth.
Wait, during Earth.
Yumi!
Yummy.
Last time we had Earth was in like November.
Can talk right now if you want. Okay.
Hey, that's Lena. Cute.
Oh no.
Despair. That's what you're gonna be seeing after you only get 750 RP skins.
Okay, which next? Which next? Which next?
The orbs.
No, get your little
Yeah,
weapons
okay.
out, bro.
Battle.
Come on. The bag. The
Yeah.
bag. Oh,
Wait.
No trundle.
alright.
Yeah.
Come on, bag. Bag.
I didn't get
Fuck,
anything
yeah.
out of these. Oh, that's actually cool.
I have that already.
Little legend. Little legend.
Beast egg.
Ew.
Wow. That's not
Wow.
very nice.
He didn't do
Time's
anything
up.
to you, Joyce. What the hell?
Ew.
Wow.
Oh, this is good. It goes Super Saiyan.
That's ugly.
Wait, does it actually?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Ugly.
He even yells.
Wow.
Oh my god, it's Lena.
Yeah, this is Lena, actually.
Ugly.
Oh my god, this is the prettiest one yet, but it's not even that pretty.
Why?
Okay,
'Cause
now
it's
Alright,
pink?
let's do the
now
chest.
it's
Let's do
time
the
for the
chest.
chest. Let's see. Disgusting. Will I get a cat skin? Like a.
Only male skins.
I think I already have this one in a shard.
I want that Nar skin.
I already have this one. I actually have this
I
unlocked
told you,
because
Team skin.
I already
skins.
have this skin. This enchanted.
Whoa.
Ooh.
Nice skin.
Oh,
Icon.
I
I feel like. Okay, I'm
Oh,
not gonna say.
look
Oh,
at
this
this.
is
I'll
good.
wear a chest.
What?
Yeah.
How does that make any sense? How do you get a chest in a chest?
My
Yeah, it
God.
happens.
What?
You can get a chest and 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 a
That's
chest.
so unlucky and it wastes your
I
keys.
already have this.
Yo,
skin.
No, no,
this
no,
is
no, no,
pretty
no.
groovy.
You open a chest, you get inside. You get another set
Ooh,
of key
Tio.
and chest
I have
plus a
that.
skin.
Oh,
Oh, that's kind of
oh,
cool.
nice. Oh.
Yorick.
Oh, I have God King Darius. Now I have God King Garen. GG.
Wow, you played those champions?
No, I'm ready.
Nice. Oh, that's nice.
Oh my God.
And a key. And some more essence. Wow.
Let's open this one.
Wait, what's the difference
Another
between
chest.
the 5 over there?
Oh, that's
Oh.
nice. Nice skin.
Oh yeah, nice. Why were the chests separately stacked?
Oh my God.
Oh, lucky.
What?
Why am
It's
I
actually
getting
lucky.
skins? Oh.
The good skin, good skin.
Good
Yell
skin.
you.
Elder
This
with
is-
Hecarim and some
Oh my God. Jesus Christ.
Alright, you got this. Another chest.
Full
Oh,
card.
so ugly.
Oh, that's nice.
They completely robbed me. But like I have look at what skin is it that I have twice now.
Yeah, that one skin, bro.
So
Well,
even
now
if I
it's not-
save up a bunch of stuff, I'm probably not gonna get anything good. Okay, good to know.
Well, okay, well let's
Just
quickly do
open
this.
them.
Let's do this.
Do you play
I'm
Kindred?
greeting.
This skin's just good, even if I don't play Kindred, I still.
Get
Bruh.
the chromas. The chromas are better.
Okay, I'll re-roll 3. I'm just gonna disenchant. It's not working that. I'm re-rolling ones I already have.
10, bro.
And okay, cross your fingers.
Good luck.
Wow.
Oh.
You got a chest.
Interesting.
Oh.
Wukong.
Wow.
Wow. Yo, open the
Nope.
chest. Open the chest.
Legendary skin.
Another chest. Gemstone? You got it. Did you get a gemstone?
Yeah.
Yo. Ah, shit.
Ah. It's 22.
Yeah, reroll that silver skin. It's ugly.
Or Shiva skin.
On top. Right after your. Oh, yeah. Put Battle
my-
Kazera. Oh.
Um.
Top left. Second row.
I would get rid of that Echo skin. Look at his
Yeah.
splash pad.
Battle like kidding, yeah.
I
No,
like
I'm gonna
Musketeer. Do deluxe skin. Oh, deluxe skin under.
No, the black skin is.
Zara.
I might get
It's
it.
ugly. Do it.
No.
Oh my.
Wait, which one?
female.
This one?
female.
Under. Yeah, this one.
No,
It's so
that one
ugly.
isn't. They're killing me.
It's a good Nautilus skin.
Goodbye.
Rip right.
Wait, you're removing Zombie Rise?
This is not no. Yes, I'm not gonna fucking like no. It's ugly.
Oh, you're gonna play Kindred, but you're not gonna play Rise?
Kindred's a
Alright.
female.
Do Mad Hatter, Shaco. Yeah, right there. Wait, I can't see.
Neither can I.
Is it the purple? Oh wait, it's
I can't.
okay. It's just okay. You can't see it too. I thought it was frozen. Okay, it's the purple. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
it's
there
TFT.
it is.
TFT. It's TFT brand.
TFT.
Wait, I'll do one more. I'll do one more.
C'est quoi que t'as ramené? Maman est là?
Voilà.
T'es vraiment une pute, hein?
Well, I have this one twice. Okay, I'll let this one. Okay, GG boys.
Congrats.
Wait, you got rid of Wukong for this?
I have that skin twice. I have that shard twice. I have two of the
God.
same shards.
What?
Yeah,
You have Lancer's, Chatus, Wukong?
twice. Yeah.
Ah. Okay.
I need some essence.
No, don't do.
I'm
Don't do this. Fucking hell! I thought it was something that you didn't like. The normal skin shard. Holy fuck.
Wait, where did Chef
thing-
go?
See, God
I
King
don't-
Darren. God King Darius.
Okay. Hover Garen. I want to see something. Just hover Garen. 364. Okay, I see. Okay. So basically, whenever you get a... Okay, wait. Scroll up. I want to see something else. If you hover... Oh, they're all epic. Okay, never mind. Okay, you can go on.
I like that Lux skin. Battle Academia.
Bro, look at this. You see this look skin, and then look.
Oh, really?
I give it in my shop. Like, whoa.
Wait, you bought the skins? The Vayne and the Evelyn one?
The Tristana one.
It was Tristana?
Yes.
Use your gemstones, bro. Get 21 chests. Get your 21 masterwork chests. Easy. And then get even more.
Welcome back, Chef.
Who wants to see me disenchant all these?
No, thank you.
I'm
You
joking.
should keep them.
No, some of them I don't need to.
Do you have
like-
TF?
Just unlock them all. You're not.
Yeah.
shit OS.
What? You don't have him? Okay, you have to buy him.
Oh wait, no, I have him. Not as a shard though.
Oh, okay. No, what? I swear I just saw, like, an icon.
Okay, scroll down, let's see.
A second.
Hey, don't start. No, stop!
I have Mastery 7 Ash. Why would I need another shard?
Yeah, but we're doing it now.
Because I want you guys to suffer.
Bruh.
You pained me.
It's okay. She only has 25 minutes left. And then she's just gonna become a normal person.
Okay.
That's right.
Unlock Nunu.
I don't understand your logic for this.
Fine, I'll unlock Nunu.
Wait,
What logic?
it would bother me so much. If I could unlock all the champions, I would just unlock all of them. Like, why
Ah,
would
you unlocked Nunu. How do you feel?
I have all the female champions.
Okay, but what about the male champions?
He doesn't care about males.
Cancelled?
Men are trash. They're dogs.
Yeah.
I can't believe this.
It's okay. If a guy only buys guy champions, he's gay.
It's true. So wait, what does that mean about girl champs then? If we apply the same logic, then
If you're a guy and you buy girl champs, you're
no.
If you're a girl and you only buy girl champs, then you're just a girl.
Oh, rip.
I don't know what to say.
The girls like cuddle each other, they like hold hands, blah 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 blah. And
They
but
stack.
the guy does instant gay, bro.
They do.
They're gay.
They're gay if they do that.
It's not because I like JoJo that I'm gay. Come on, man.
Yeah, man. Not cool.
Where are the other two champions?
It's a Joe.
Who's Joe?
Joe Biden.
Thank you.
Joe Mama?
Cool.
Nice one, Joyce.
Thank you. Where is the other highlighted one?
We don't care. Go back.
Alright, who wants to see my unboxing?
One second, look at my.
Wait, what
Yo,
are the
my
2020 cards for?
They're prestige points. They're for prestige skins.
Oh, interesting. And you can't
Yeah, you only get
them.
you can only
No,
get
go buy
them
all the
through
icons. Buy all the icons, Joyce.
Look at this. This is really sexism. Where are the female champions?
It's good.
There are no
Okay,
females.
by the way, they're adding a chroma for Twitch and Warwick again.
Why? Just
No.
make.
The thing
Oh,
is, they're trying to make like they don't want to make it like super hard to get whatever for other people, cause like those are from friend referral system that was used before, and then they just added this to
Okay,
honor.
man.
Isn't Riot just
Yeah,
started like
yeah.
that Garrett skin impossible to get now?
Red
Did you
Pack
just
is-
assume Kogma's gender?
Isn't Kogma a male?
I don't know. It's a fucking monster.
Well, Rex has a female.
Maybe they're both.
Joyce,
I mean,
go to the prestige shop and buy your icons, bro.
no, she can't.
What do you mean? I bought the icons with all my
What?
prestige points. Yeah,
Okay, go in there.
you have to scroll down.
Okay.
Can you not
thing-
anymore?
No,
What you're talking about is they added things to the shop like in December whatever or January. But the thing is they messed up. They said, "Oh, we don't know when we're going to introduce our new prestige system." So they made it even longer. So now we'll have to wait until June until they get rid of the actual 2020 points. So
Dude,
now
I
they're
bought
adding
all
more
the- I bought
rewards.
All the like the pulse fire. I bought the
You should have kept
prestige.
them.
Fuck
You know
that.
they're going to add like bags and shit
Oh
for
well,
extra skins.
it is what it is, bro.
I mean, if you're really like,
I got my icons.
bruh.
I got my icons. I have my Spirit Blossom Prestige now. you know?
I'll do one more.
Do the
I
Yorick
gave
one.
up. I gave
Oh, yeah,
up
that's fine.
thinking I was gonna get my Teemo skin, and I'm like, you know what? Fuck it.
Where's the Yorick one?
You just hovered it.
This is
Go
Olaf.
at the bottom, right there.
This
Oh,
is
that's
Olaf.
Olaf. Oh my god.
I'll do him too.
Pentakill Olaf? Why Pentakill?
That's a
It's
band.
their music group.
It's their rock band.
Interesting.
Oh,
Yo!
Talon? Pog? Look at
Actual
that
good
man.
skin.
well,
Hey, you're a Talon man now.
Unfortunately,
Talented guy.
let's go. About time. How could you not have Talon?
what?
Because she's sexist, bro.
Shut the fuck.
Female supremacy, right, Joyce?
That's right.
Yeah.
You got a 1v1 Luke with Talon now. He's trash talking you.
You want one Joyce?
Give me a week.
A week? Yo, you'll need more than a week. Wow, look at this. All females except for Bren.
That's right, boys.
Grand total of 5, or maybe less, male skins.
Wow.
Yeah, it's a prestige KDA, Evelyn.
I have all of Evelyn's skins.
Why do you only have female skin?
You know what? You know what? Okay, when I get to Katarina,
Okay, female, yes. Female, yes.
Zyra.
Okay, female, yes. Okay. Okay, female, yes.
okay, I bought this skin. I got these 3 in chest. Which is Pog.
Go
I
down.
got 2 of these in chest. Wait,
Where are
I
the
got this one in
PPs?
chest too. Just wait.
I'm waiting.
Why you only have female?
Hush, hush, hush.
Wait, is there actually not a single guy skin? Okay.
Oh, Jin!
It is.
Hey, my boy! Represent.
Alright, we have one.
I got this in a chest.
This kid's getting the biggest RM of his life.
I got this in a
Oh,
chest.
shit, the mirror.
Oh, 2. Oh,
shit, the
boy.
mirror.
Shyvana or
Twisted
Ooh,
Fate,
3.
Twisted Fate.
Let's go,
This is the
Tia.
This is the only male skin I've ever bought.
Because it's
What a
white.
gentleman.
Oh
I
yeah, you
bought
said you
this
wanted
to
to
match-
match your friend, yeah.
hmm I got all of these
I
in
have
chest.
that Leona skin.
Sadly, I got this one in chest.
Let's not
4,
cheer for a team
5.
of fucking red.
I got
Brand, yay, Brand.
Yeah.
Zillion.
6? 7?
this in chest.
Wait, you have Garen. Why aren't you buying the skin? Enable the skin shard. Oh no, never mind. Oh, okay, never mind. Never mind. I'm stupid. It was Darius. It was the
What?
Darius one that you already have. You only have the skin shard. You don't have it like permanent. So like if you have Darius skin, then Darius shard, you can get it right now. No, Darius. Yeah, Darius? Yeah, if you get Darius, you can get the skin right now for free. Well, quote unquote free.
He has the unlocked permit skin shard.
Yeah, this. And then unlock. Free skin! Oh my god! Yay!
Wait, oh my god, I don't know what wait, 1 second.
When
1 second.
when they're golden, you already unlock them. It's just that you don't have the champion.
Heard it.
That's why I almost screamed when you disenchant some skin that
I'm
you
sorry,
already
you
have.
almost what?
Yeah, I already have.
I
I
do
have
the
2 of the
same
Wukong.
thing.
Wait.
Remember,
Just buy him, forehead.
1 second, I wanna see if I.
You're in the S.
Yeah, I realize that.
Okay.
A B C D E F G.
Bruh, you're at M. You met.
I don't have him.
What? Yeah, you don't have him. What are you looking for?
Oh.
She also has the mecha set for some reason. Oh,
Can't imagine.
Is Mecha Set glow?
it's
It's-
permanent.
Yeah, it's permanent.
the boss.
The boss.
I'm gonna be honest. Base skin set is better than that.
Wait.
skin.
If I wait 1 second. Let me check. Oh no, wait. Draven.
Set still looks like Leon to me from yeah.
Set's just a Chad, bro.
Yeah.
Monkey.
His Japanese voice actor is actually Dio. Dio voice actor.
It's so funny.
Yes.
Dude, Dio literally just voice text everybody.
Ah yes,
Hilarious.
Dio.
You watch an anime casually and then you hear Dio in the background, you're like, what the fuck?
Oh, all that's missing is Zawadu.
Zawarudo.
Bro, part 3 had like the
Blitzcrank is-
dumbest plot twist in my opinion. It's like
Actually, I guess you kind of lose Blue Essence fast.
Yeah, if
I
you
wanted to get a shit.
wait,
ton
are you sure you don't have those and champion shards? All the champions that you just unlocked? Because they're cheaper if you'd use the shards.
Uh oh.
Yeah.
Oh no,
Yeah,
Blitzcrank. Oh no.
Monkey.
You know what?
Monkey. Yo, refund. No, 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 no. Wait. 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 Wait.
Don't refund.
Don't refund the
Wait.
champions.
Who
It's okay.
refunds skin shards? I never refund skin shards.
It's okay. It's okay. I don't care. I don't fucking
I
care
don't
about
think you
essence
can-
though.
Oh yeah. Okay, you're rich. Okay, we get it.
That's right.
How many skins do you have?
You know, one skin was already a dream for me. But
Miss Joyce over here has
a few more. Just a few.
Yeah, just like 2 more, you know.
Hmm.
Oh, you have 3 skins? Oh.
God's just Lisa.
Oh, I have to get Susan. Okay.
You have to get who?
Susan.
Ness. Yeah, Ness is.
I see Rumble. Oh God.
Fortnite. Fortnite. Fortnite.
So, ranked anyone?
Bruh. Imagine playing ranked.
Imagine not playing ranked.
It's so boring. It's either too easy or you get fucked.
Yeah, but if
not
you
good.
get to silver, it means you're really good, so.
Like
That's
it's
what
not
you
correct.
want to get. You want to get to silver.
Yeah.
Yeah. I get gold in my placements, so I just don't play anymore.
Rip.
Gold was too basic of a color for me, so I put.
Wow, okay.
What? I don't know what I just did.
What about diamond, though? Diamond's a pretty fancy color.
Oh, I don't have any.
I just hold my victory skin and.
And
I
then
go back.
A-Learn would make me work harder on a different league team, so.
We'll find one.
Massive. I don't have masses or fiddle.
Surprise. Fortnite.
Y'all wanna play Fortnite?
Yeah, I'm down
Perhaps.
to play Fortnite, not gonna lie.
Also, I played Fortnite. I hit the whole game and I got second place.
Yo, they added Raven in it.
Raven. From Teen Titans.
Yeah. She doesn't have
Oh,
like
Raven.
the OG costume, but I mean she's still Raven, you know.
You know, I'll play. If people actually want to play, I'll play it, man. I don't really care.
I
have
think I
it
deleted it.
downloaded.
I'd have to reinstall.
Yes, Sam. I'll have to reinstall. Dude, I bought Save the World when I
Bruh.
I'm like cool zombie game. Ease.
Wait, you
And
bought
then-
it at the beginning?
Yeah.
So you're actually entitled to get free V-Bucks like every 5 days. You just log
Yeah.
in and then you get free V-Bucks.
Yeah, no. I get free V-Bucks.
Yeah, you don't even have to pay for this game anymore.
Exactly.
I should have done the same.
Everybody's like, how do you have these skins? I'm like, oh, I had to save
Look
the
at this
world.
man.
I used most of my V-Bucks on the fucking llamas.
Oh no.
Dude, I wanted
Bruh.
my siege breakers. Come on.
I don't